So my symptoms were pain upon use of my right thumb, and it was quite a lot of pain when I used it. When I didn't use it, it didn't hurt that much, but when I used it, if I squeezed something, or I tried to shake somebody's hand, or pick something up, or open a jar lid, or anything where I was squeezing and using my thumb, then I had quite a lot of pain. And I put up with it for quite a long time. I kind of knew I wanted to get it done, but then it was a matter of finding someone, and I didn't want just anybody to do it. I wanted somebody who was a good hand surgeon. I was talking to an anesthetist who had worked with Dr. Peterson, and it just came up about my pain and so forth, and I said I happened to mention to him that I was looking for a good hand surgeon, and he says, "Oh, I know a good hand surgeon." And I was very impressed. I really liked him immediately. He was very personable and he was confident but not arrogant, very friendly, warm. What procedure, he says there's a lot of things that can be done, he says, but I still think the gold standard is the procedure where we go in and reconstruct that joint with a ligament from your wrist, and that just jived with everything I had researched, so everything just fell right into place, and I was very pleased. Then I was scheduled for surgery in the Tri-City Orthopedic Surgery Center, and that was a really good experience. Everyone was very friendly and warm, but they especially went out of their way to have me talk to someone on the staff who had the exact same procedure. So she came in and told me some things to expect and what it was like for her, and so that was above and beyond. I thought they didn't have to do that, and I can do anything and everything I want to do now. And as Dr. Peterson had told me, I would continue to gain strength as time goes on. And even over the past month, I've noticed more and more strength. And there's no pain at all. I can do all those things, you know, like pull weeds and open jars and shake hands and do everything I ever wanted. And I'm very right-handed, so it was extremely important for me. So it just was very successful. I do not regret one bit that I had it done. I'm so glad And I would very much recommend the clinic and Dr. Peterson, and in fact I already have.